This is super fiddly, this. Super fiddly. Crazy thing is, once we put the roof tiles on, I'm not even going to be able to see this. But we need to know it's done.
Living in a Greek neighbourhood is obviously different to when you go to a hotel or an Airbnb and stay where lots of other British people or American people or Europeans are holidaying all together. There are things about living in the Greek community that are really pleasurable and exciting. They have a really special bond and great values between them. I've been recently searching for a hire shop to hire some power tools, and I can't find one anywhere. And then it dawned on me that this is because the Greeks don't need to have a hire shop. If they want something, they have a friend or a cousin or an uncle or a neighbour that has that, and the community comes together and they borrow from each other what they need to get by. We're really looking forward to learning more Greek. There are trucks and vans that go past the villa and they're speaking out of loudspeakers in Greek, selling their wares. We have noticed that this can be anything from live birds to fruit and vegetables. There was a lady that approached me when I was working in the garden to see if I wanted to buy any of her second-hand clothing. She was very polite and very nice. Unfortunately, I didn't need anything or want to buy anything, but that wasn't a problem. It was really nice, though, to feel included. Our neighbours have given us so much. A huge bag of like these raisin grapes that are native to Zante the very first time we arrived. Huge bag. I mean, it took us over a week to eat them. Absolutely delicious. That was like our welcome. We've had melons, bags of oranges, lemons, bottles of olive oil, bottles of homemade wine, and of course, as I've said, they've invited me over to sit and eat with them and their families, and their values and their kindness is just beautiful. In this video, we're working on the front external wall of the villa again and wrapping that up this week. It was really important to us when we started, not just to paint the villa, because we could have started on any wall, but we wanted to start somewhere where all our neighbours, the whole community, the people that come and go past the villa were going to see that it was coming back to life and looking beautiful. We've been made to feel so welcome, as I mentioned. It's nice to give something back to the Greek people, to show them that we want to be part of that community and we want to be included, and we appreciate everything that they've given and shown and offered to us. And it's just a small way that we can say, hey, look, you know, we're making what was a really run-down, tired villa look absolutely amazing again.
What you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun. You are my one, with a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all. Everybody couldn't make a wrong turn. You waver and slip and you get burned. But I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hand. in the sun. It's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all. It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
No. Don't know if the camera picked that up, but next door there's a family of about 4 generations.
Yeah.
All living together. And Dad's probably 20 years older than the mum, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
But she's always putting him in his place, isn't she?
Well, that's what we think this is going on.
Well, that's what we think's going on because we don't speak the language, but it's really nice to listen to. We were saying yesterday that we're happy that we didn't buy a place in the middle of nowhere with no neighbours because it's really nice here in the atmosphere. They've got a garage across the road as well that they work out of. They don't really make any excessive noise at all, and they have loads of breaks, don't they?
Yeah.
But it's nice to hear them chattering amongst themselves and laughing. They're always laughing, aren't they?
They're really happy people, and it's nice that even though we can't understand what they're saying, there's always an atmosphere, a happy, vibrant atmosphere going on around us. It's really cool.
Makes a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
Jolly people.
does. Happy Greeks.
Yeah. There we go.
She's going again. We're really thrilled with the outcome of the front wall. It's so nice to have everything one colour and sparkling and gleaming in the sunshine. Next week we're going to start bringing to you the windows and the shutters. We did our absolute best to save the shutters, and we can't wait to start bringing that to you. Thank you ever so much for watching, your likes and your subscriptions, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye.